how to enable or disable read color name twice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So now click on app. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. After click on answering and ending calls, so click on read caller name, allow. After turn on this button, you will see read caller name twice is here. So if you want to enable read color name twice, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see read color name twice is enabled. So if you want to disable read color name twice, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see read color name twice is disabled. You will enable or disable read color name twice from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable read color name twice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.